This is the easiest, most elegant, dairy-free and sugar-free whipped cream I have ever made. I recently discovered my newfound favorite brand, a beautiful organic coconut cream that completely changed how I make coconut cream forever. There is no liquid, no fuss, just soft, pillowy perfection every single time. Simply chill the can overnight along with your bowl and whisk. Scoop the thick coconut cream directly into the bowl and whip until light and like cloud-like texture. Sweeten with powdered monk fruit sweetener, add a touch of vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt to enhance the flavor. If needed, add a splash of dairy-free milk until soft, pillowy peaks form. This particular coconut cream contains no liquid, which makes it especially foolproof and beautifully stable. For the full recipe, please click the link below. I'll be using this berry whipped cream in a Valentine's heart tea cake recipe coming out next week. And make sure you save this recipe for your next tea time.